So guys, if you also use Snapchat and create streaks with your friends and family, then this new Snapchat feature is going to be very useful and interesting for you. So guys, Snapchat has recently launched a new tool feature for its Snapchat Plus users called Snapchat Creative Tools, which is also known as Snapchat AI Snaps. So let's find out what this feature is. Basically, with this feature you can use your imagination to give this tool instructions to generate any image, and it will generate an image for you using AI image generation. So let's find out how you can use this feature. To use it, you need to go to the camera of your Snapchat, and there you will see a new option called AI Snap. Tap on it. Also keep in mind that this feature has only been launched for Snapchat Plus users for now, but it might be available for everyone in the future. Make sure to keep your Snapchat application updated so you can get this feature. Then type in the idea of the image you want to generate and make sure to generate only appropriate image that follow Snapchat's guidelines. For example, I type here cat is in the sky. Then friends, simply tap on the send option. Then you have to wait a few seconds. From 5 seconds to 20 seconds you have to wait. As you can see, our image is generated, and if you want you can send it as a snap to your friend. So as I send this to my friend, so first of all I simply select my friend and simply tap on the send option. So friends, let me know in the comment how you like this feature, and for more latest videos regarding social media, subscribe to our channel and share this video with all your Snapchat friends.